Hello and welcome back. This is Sunny here, and we are looking at your Eurjpy full analysis. Um, let's have a quick look at your monthly chart. Now, I know you guys are quite visual. Ignore all the small. I haven't been able to take them off. But yes, if we're having a look at right here and right here, we can see a range, can't we? All right, and there's also midpoint in that range. Can you see the midpoint? That bit in the middle-ish where there's a lot of interaction, where the charts, the mark that Euro-JPY pair is saying, well, actually at around this point, I'm tending to be a little bit more sensitive. At that point, then you have a bearish engulfing candlestick formation, and a test of that candlestick formation done and dusted. So whether we're looking for a market to go up or down is irrelevant. Well, it is relevant because we're looking for trade setups, but we might be looking at that bouncing down and going back up, because it actually hasn't gone back and tapped in on that upper band. So we potentially are looking for an up move. Again, because it's that midpoint area, it might bounce down with that bearish candle and shoot actually down rather than up. Okay. Actually, let's do some quick fibs on here. Okay. All right. So I'm guesstimating the market has gone down, touched the 2.7, shot all the way back up for a deeper retracement, got to a almost a 618, and is considering going down. How valid that is for the moment, because it's in the range, is difficult to say. However, on the latest AB, AB boundary shows that this market is due to head down. I'm a little bit skeptical about that, because I'm actually expecting it to come all the way back up here and then come back down, because it's still within that might come up all the way up to that 86%. Again, there's no absolutes. I'm making suppositions at the moment. Okay, look at the weekly, see how that goes. All right, now we're here. We'll do this down move, see how that down move works out. Alrighty. Okay, this is our B. Okay, let's work on this. A to B, C to D. Yeah, let's see how that works out. Okay, it's a shallow bounce for the moment. And here's our D down here. Okay, it's gone a bit, no, it has actually gone higher, and now it has. Okay, so the chart says at this point, it's almost an 8.6. Are there any signs of it going down? Even there are signs of it going up. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of broken this inner trend line, so it's in a trend line. So it is poised to head down to this outer trend line. Let's do some quick fibs on here. See what this actually means. Just remember, this is about making sense of what the charts are saying. Your whole purpose of all analysis, so it's headed a 618D heading up, so it's heading back down. Let's see to where. Ooh, that looks wrong. All right, let's delete this chart. Oops. There we go. All right, let's try this again. Here we go. It's hit a D and hasn't actually come back to a 382 yet. Or has it? No, it hasn't. And it might just be doing that. It might just be heading down to that 382. I would poise it heading down to that 50 at least, because there's a lot of resistance around that area. But at a minimum, I'm expecting it to head down to a 382 on that weekly. Let's see. So to the 382, let's take this off. To the 382, we're looking at roughly around about 300 pips. And to that 50, we're looking at around 700, 750 pips. So we're expecting some bearish moves on this this pair on the weekly. Okay. All right, let's have a quick look on that daily, see what that means. All right, this is our low. Oops. All right, this is our low. One low and two low. All right, let's see what that looks like close up, instead of me guesstimating from where I am. All right, so here's our AB, because I know it gets a little bit difficult to see when I'm doing it. Some guesstimating comes up to about here. Let's go. Let's see. A to B. Oops. A to B. C to D. Yep. Looks about right. Oops, wrong one. A to B. C to D. A to B. C to D. A to B. C to, oh, let's double check. I'm not sure about this one. And let's just do these whilst we're here. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, our D is here. Because obviously it hasn't hit the 7.8, it's still a 618 retracement. Okay. And we're doing here. Great stuff. All right, let's keep moving. All right. All right, here's a shallow bounce, like silly shallow. Confirmed the D and shut up. There we go, that's this one. Let's see. A to B, C to D. There we go. Let's alright, I think I messed up on this one. Unless I didn't. Oh, that's incorrect here. All right, let's make sure we're getting this right, because it messes up with your fibs if your analysis is wrong. You're getting in and getting out wrong areas, which causes more problems than they're worth when you're trading. So better safe than sorry, guys. Make sure you get it right. Try not to get it wrong. And if you do, just, come back and start again. It's not going to hurt you. It takes a little bit more time, but it's, it also saves you money if you get it right. So, there we go. All right, we're looking at a 618. There we go. That's tapped in. All right. I think that's us up here. Great. All right. Let's make sure we get it right, guys. Let's make sure we get it right. Awesome. All right. Let's just do our next set of fibs then, since we're at it. Ha! That was not fun. There we go. Let's get this right. All the way up, sweetie. All the way up. Yep. There we go. Good go. All right. So we're in an AB boundary. An up AB boundary on that daily. What does that mean for us? It has come down to a 382. And it seemingly hit a double top right here and is shooting back down. I don't know much about the shooting. It did hit the, did force it down a bit, and then sort of there's some consolidation right here. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look at that 2-hour chart. All right. So we're looking at that down move right there. All right. Let's start from here. Hey guys, so what we're doing is putting the 120 chart, and then we're running down our ABCDs. I had to take a short pause, I do apologize. So I've drawn in the last few fibs in here, which shows quite quickly, oops, wrong one, that the market has not come back up to a 382. It has tested a 27 area, and I'm guessing is poised up to the 50 or around about the 50, which will more than likely be where my entry would be if I got in on this trade. Again, the market is due. I think I'm looking for more up moves than down moves. But it is in a down move, which says, say on that daily, it is moving down. Whether it's going down for a deeper, I am not sure. But the actual chart is in an up AB boundary. On the, oops, sorry about that. Let's tile this quite quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's tile this quickly. Great stuff. All right. So for what you can see, there is a bearish move, bearish candlestick formation right here. There's a test of that bearish candlestick formation, which happens 50% of the times, and is showing bearish moves here. On the weekly, it's in an up AB. Again, it hasn't come down to at least a 382 as yet either. So we're expecting, again, more than likely a down move of this pair. And then if we go to the daily, again, the same thing. So if on the weekly we're expecting it to move a little bit further, I'll guesstimate would need a deeper retracement roughly around here. So if we do some down ABs, you could see A to B, C to D, that's done. And so at the moment we're looking for a little bit of a retracement before we expect a fall. We're looking at a target of around the 50, which we mentioned earlier, because there's a lot of resistance around that area. But I'd tend to stick to the fibs on that one, because it seemingly have a lot more interaction than the fib 50 retracement. So short